New functionality has been added to the IronCAD BOM to allow you to add fractional display for columns in the bill of material. In order for this to work, you have to have your scene set to an inch or feet units, and you have a column that is set to a type number. For example, if we go into our BOM, we'll add a new column here at the end. We'll add a new column. We'll just move this one over. And in our column header, we're going to select the type of unit that we want to use, or property that we want to pull from. For example, these are type units, meaning that there are going to be unit values, or you can have custom properties that have a type of number that can also be used to convert into a fractional display. So for example, if we want to pull the length for these particular parts, notice when this selects this, becomes enabled, so that we can now say let's use a foot-inch display for that particular column. And we can also say, well, let's use this property value but not use the name. We want to change that name just to length. We can hit OK. And when we click out of that column, you'll see that it automatically populates that and places the fractional units inside of there. Again, you can do this for any column inside of here. For example, if we want to go and add a new column inside of here, and we're going to add one for width as well. So we'll just double click that and do the same thing for width. Again, it could be any property that you have, or you type in a property, but it has to be set to a number. In this case, this is width, which is a number, and we'll just use the same thing here, and we'll just get rid of the size boxes. We don't want that to be displayed, and hit OK. When we click out, you'll see that it'll pull and populate that. So when we hit OK, we now have our two columns that have fractional display units that match our scene dimensional units as well. So that's a new functionality that's added in IronCAD 2021 that can be used to show a fractional display in the bill of material.